iOS devices are known for their high-quality cameras, sleek user interface, and robustness, which makes them a great device to film your YouTube videos and even make your thumbnails. If you're just starting out and you either don't have better equipment or really just want something fast and simple, an iOS device, be it iPhone or iPad, can be the right device to make great content. Either way, there are countless apps that can make you the best thumbnails on the market, and in our video today, we will introduce you to the best of them. So buckle up and let's jump right into it. Starting strong with everyone's favorite social media graphic design app. Canva is a graphic design made simple kind of app, meaning it aims to make the process of creating social media content easy. Canva can be used for both video and photo editing, which can be insanely efficient. You can film your video, edit your video, and create the thumbnail for your video all in one app. No need to transfer files or anything. The app works wonders as a social media content creation app in general, but in terms of thumbnail creation, Canva has many features that can help. For instance, the app provides you with customizable templates of varying types. And aside from the usual cropping, flipping, adjusting brightness, and other basic photo editing features, you will find text, stickers, illustrations, collages, and a huge library of assets, among many other things. Canva will ask you to either create an account, log in, or use a Google, Facebook, or Apple ID to be able to use the app. So keep that in mind. This is quite common with apps like these, and will be a recurring theme among the apps mentioned here. Developed by Adobe, Adobe Express is your easy way out of the complicated graphic design process. Whether limited by time or lack of graphic design skills, Adobe Express helps you whip up quick designs that look professional. Previously known as Spark Post, Adobe Express kind of follows Canva's model. It has a plethora of templates that come in different formats to fit different social media outlets. It even offers one specifically made for YouTube thumbnails, with collages, text with different fonts, icons, backgrounds, filters, overlays, and so on and so forth. The app has got all the basics covered and then some. The app is available on both iPhone and iPad and is free with free assets. A premium membership is also available, where you can get even more assets and features to work with. If you already use other Adobe products and have a Creative Cloud membership, this could be the best option for you here, as the system of the subscription and even the app itself will all be familiar to you and minimizes any learning curve. Another neat app on our list today is PicsArt. The app is free and available on both iPad, iPhone, and can be used on your iMessage to send special stickers. A bit odd if you ask me, but hey, those stickers are cute. Anyways, the app functions as both a photo and video editor. It's great to see this trend of combining a video and photo editor. It makes content creation a much more of an easy and efficient process. That being said, as a photo editor, there are plenty of tools and features that can do wonders for your thumbnails. Let's take the background eraser tool as an example. You can easily erase the background and replace it. This can work well if you tend to have an image from your video as a thumbnail. For instance, you can keep your silhouette intact, but change the boring background, and use it as a space to add pictures relevant to the topic you're discussing, which makes your thumbnail a lot more clickable. Another interesting tool is the Remove Object tool that helps you remove certain things from an image, like a fly, a misplaced book, or a distracting colorful object. PicsArt has plenty of other tools. For instance, a text tool with countless fonts, blur effects, cropping and flipping images, filters, face retouching, and stickers. As every other app on this list, PicsArt is free, but it does offer a premium version. While the aforementioned apps were all geared towards graphic design and happen to be good with making thumbnails, this app, as the name strongly suggests, is specifically made for thumbnail making. This gives the app a big plus. Thumbnail Maker for YouTube Studio has templates like all the other apps. However, this time around, it's specifically designed with YouTube thumbnails in mind, so it makes things a whole lot easier, especially if you can't seem to remember the dimensions of a thumbnail and have to look it up every time, like me, damn it. Another great feature is the text tool with a lot of customizable options, such as the font, size, color, and text style. The app also has a style tab where you can create a cutout just by clicking it. As usual with these types of apps, there is also a sticker option with plenty of options to choose from. Other features in this app are layers, redo and undo buttons, and effects, all in a simple and easy to navigate user interface that you will get used to in no time. The app is free, offers in-app purchases, and is available on both iPhone and iPad, although primarily designed for iPad, I might add. Pixlr is yet another photo editing app available on both iPhone and iPad. The first thing you'll notice upon opening the app is the sleek and neat-looking user interface, all gray panels with minimalistic white icons. If you prefer to have more of a manual and intentional approach, the app doesn't disappoint. You can apply focal blur, use layers, make use of the adjustable transparency, apply countless effects, filters, and overlays. In addition, a text tool is provided by the app. I mean, without that, it wouldn't be good for thumbnails, would it? But I digress. The text tool gives you plenty of fonts to choose from. As all apps here, Pixlr is a free app. However, it does contain ads and offers in-app purchases. GoDaddy Studio is a graphic design and photo editing app, following Canva's model of making graphic design more of a quick and easy process for those who lack experience or time. GoDaddy Studio is the perfect app for you to create any social media content, be it banners or thumbnails. The app's features include, but are certainly not limited to, a text tool with an array of fonts, a tool that removes backgrounds, templates, layouts, and much more. The app is available for both iPhone and iPad. GoDaddy Studio is a free app but with in-app purchases in the form